photo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where do I go to see other fabrics? So I'm gonna take these two, but I also what for my aunt. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Oh, and the whole entire time I've just been passing them here.
Sorry.
No problem. It's me. Okay, so these are okay. Perfect. Thank you.
These?
Yeah.
Then I'll take you the other side.
Okay, perfect.
Oh,
Thank
we are
you.
using this fabric, this basket?
Yes, we're using that basket here.
For the young?
Thank you. So I like that. I'm gonna get her to watch me design. Decide what she wants to do with this. It's 5 pounds. 5. Yes, that's your 5 pounds.
I got backs over tracks and backs getting so
The other one,
I think I'm on paying back, but I don't know what that can erase all the past and the pettiness.
I'm from South Africa, but I travel a lot on the continent and I buy this. Yeah, I bought it in Nigeria and it's nothing made.
Yeah, because I thought you were from Nigeria because they are fruit patterns.
Yes, no.
Cut this one.
But I'm just, that's me, that's not what to do. Just shortlisting, because there's more fabric this side. Let me show you. There you go. So I need to like choose, because I need to get for myself and for my aunt. Back in Nairobi. We're back. We're back. Okay, let me get satchels. inside I'm gonna have samaki wa kupaka. So the first step is to allow the water to boil.
Yes. And after boiling, this is unga. So this is maize, which has been grinded, So it's, I think we got maize from Portuguese in Brazil. I don't know whether they feed cattle, but us, this is the basic meal. This is our bread. For the Arabs, they have real bread from wheat, but us, our bread is ugali, maize from maize. So maize is actually the game changer in Kenya, Zambia, and wider East Africa.
In South Africa.
Yeah. Pap. So this is the pap. I'm actually preparing pap, but in another way.
Yeah.
So the pap is the ugali in Kenya.
Yeah.
The Kenyan is quite different. So let's go back to our lesson. So as we can see, the water is already boiled. So the first thing you do, you exercise patience in portions. Yeah, as I said, let know the speed for the appetite move faster than the process. So I just sprinkle like this, little of it. And then this is what we call in Swahili mwiko. Mwiko. Okay, so you mix the unga with boiled water patiently. So you'll see these kind of particles, don't be afraid. That's just the reaction, our African chemistry when maize flour interact with boiled water.
Yeah.
But with time, with a good cook as I am, you will discover that miracles will take place. So don't be afraid when you wonder what is this you're preparing. You're just allowing the maize flour to mix well with the boiled water. So they must be coterminous to each other. They must mix up, agree with each other well. So should you see some things like this, don't be afraid. Just so the strategy, because the skill behind ugali is ugali which is well cooked with proper heating, proper everything. So you allow it to mix like for 2 minutes. You exercise patience as it seriously blends in. So you can see there's a change. It's becoming thicker. So I mix up to ensure that the flour is actually well mixed with the soon to be ugali. So you keep. So when I was doing like this is what I was doing. I'm really. So don't. At this time, you need to feel the texture. So don't make ugali hard or too soft. At this stage, is a bit soft. So I add a little bit again to make it a little bit harder. Not hard, a little bit harder, but still soft. So I'm still mixing up, and maybe you can imagine I'm doing F1. So I'm in the runway. Because I want it to be a little bit harder, so I can still add a little bit. So as you can see, the quantity of additions, they are not very generous. They are done with a lot of caution.
Yeah.
Because you need to ensure that you get the right balance. And to ensure the maize flour mixes really well.
Yeah.
So you mix, like for now, I like it when it's soft. So I will make you soft ugali. So, like, I don't think I'm going to add any more. So the rest will add enough with the heat. Why? Because the more the heat, it drains the water. So you don't need to add enough. So you feel soft a little bit, and then you allow the heat to drain the water to make it harder. So like this one, I'm not going to add anything. So I will continue just steering my F1 engine.
Yes, when I lose Hamilton.
There's always talent in Africa.
Yeah.
And Africa is our business. So the talent is only that. This one does it. Please do that. So you can see, you keep mixing it up. You have patience. Now, at this time, you reduce the heat you don't need to deal with a lot of heat. Yeah, because now you need to ensure that by the time you are eating this food, you are not smelling the maize flour. You are being slapped with the good smell of ugali.
Not maize flour.
So, like this, look at this. You see?
You must slap it.
So after this, in Africa, if I was at home, I would have just tested it. But because I'm with visitors, and now you allow it to heat well. I've made it soft because I don't want to introduce to hard ugali as the first ingredient, the testing of it. That which you have been taking the hoteli is quite cold. Ugali should be so hot that when you are picking it from the plate, you are like, you see it?
Yeah.
They call ugali does not know fridge. It only knows heat. This, ugali and money, they seem to be very separate. Money loves cold, and ugali loves
Heat.
Yeah, so this is the technique we were given. Part of it is intellectual property.
What's trademark? What is the papers? Show the papers.
So after this, I'm now convinced that we are almost to Canaan. Why? Because the trick of making ugali is also to watch out this thing here.
On the side.
Yeah, the side. When it is now hardening up, and then we call it, I know it in my vernacular, I don't know it in Swahili. It's called the crust of it.
Yeah.
So when I was growing up, this was a delicacy at home.
Yeah, you snack
do
on
like
it.
this. I don't know whether Mika in SA.
Same, yeah. Same. In my language, we call it vukoko.
We call it rigoko.
Okay.
We are Bantus.
We are Bantu people, yeah.
So this is like a sacrament for Catholics. So ready for us to go. Evenly distributed in the sahani. You can see the heat. You know what makes ugali sweet. And now because it's ready, we are not going to take any time wasting.
Yeah.
We just go to the meal straight away. African managu.
African managu.
So it has a lot of fiber, good for if you consult the nutritionist. And then was prepared with love.
So what happens if we don't finish the food?
If we don't finish the food, we shall continue eating until it's all.
I see. Okay.